In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer prepayments in QuickBooks Online. Prepayments, also called deposits or retainers, are funds you receive from a customer before you deliver goods or services. Recording them correctly ensures your balances and reports stay accurate, and it makes it easy to apply the money to an invoice later. First, log into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look for the +Create button at the top left of your dashboard. This is your starting point for most transactions. Click it, and under the Customer section, choose Receive Payment. Even though you may not have an invoice yet, Receive Payment is the right place to capture money a customer sends in advance because it creates a credit on their account. Next, select the customer who made the prepayment. Be sure you pick the exact customer profile you want the credit to attach to, so you can apply it smoothly to their future invoice. In the Outstanding Transactions area, you'll see any open invoices for this customer. For a true prepayment, leave all those invoices unchecked. By not linking the money to an invoice now, QuickBooks holds it as an unapplied credit that you can apply later when the invoice is created. Enter the payment method, such as credit card, check, or cash. Choose the option that matches how you actually receive the funds. If applicable, you can add a reference like a check number for your records. Now choose the deposit to account. This is where the money lands in your books. If the funds are already in your bank, you can select your checking account. If you plan to group several payments into a single bank deposit later, choose an interim account like undeposited funds so your QuickBooks deposit matches your bank statement. Pick the option that best matches your workflow. Enter the payment date. This matters for reporting and bank reconciliation, so use the date the money actually cleared or the date you want reflected in your books. Type the amount received, double-checking for accuracy. Small typos here can cause big reconciliation headaches later. If you like, add a memo. Notes such as the purpose of the deposit, a project name, or a customer reference can save you time when you review transactions down the road. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. The prepayment is recorded and sits as a credit on the customer's account, ready to be applied to a future invoice. That's how to record customer prepayments in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.